Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and the dock is open. Let's start sharing immediately. First, click the blue Share button at top right. Once you click, a dialog appears asking who should access the file and what level of permission they need. You choose View, Comment, or Edit because that controls what others can do. Make sure the account shown in the dialog matches the one you want to share from. If you need a link instead of individual people, you'll switch that in the next step. Once the Share dialog is open, change access under Get Link from Restricted to anyone with the link if you need broad distribution. Then add specific collaborators by typing email addresses in the Add People field and select Viewer, Commenter, or Editor to control actions. Make sure to click the gear icon for additional settings like disabling editors' ability to change permissions. If you want recipients to see a note, check Notify People and type a message. After confirming, click Send or Copy Link to finalize. Now finalize by clicking Send for named people or Copy Link for broader sharing, then paste it into email or chat. Once done, verify access by opening the file in an incognito window or asking a colleague to confirm they can open it. Make sure to check Drive's activity panel to see sharing events and to confirm permissions applied. If someone reports they're blocked, recheck which Google account they used. Switch link from restricted to anyone with the link if needed, or adjust their role and resend the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.